Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So I already did some tasks earlier. I'm gonna take you on my morning, a little bit morning routine. I'm gonna make a smoothie and I'm gonna show you what I'm putting inside it. Let's go.
I'm gonna first start with the oat milk. Start the liquid. And for sweetener, we have banana, but I'm gonna go in with a date. So date, a spoon of chia. You can basically add whatever you want, but this is what I'm going in with. Spinach and strawberries and banana. These are already pre-sorted and frozen. And then we are gonna blend. This is gonna be a bit noisy, but let's go. Tasty smoothie. Cheers. On the reveal of the jelly from last night. Yay!
So I pour hot water so it comes out easy.
You said this is easy, but it doesn't look easy. Wow. Wow.
Comes out. Didn't come out from the other. From the other part. Broken.
Wow. Oh, hello. Guess what? I took an early afternoon siesta, had lunch with Mango, had a meeting, and now I'm walking towards a friend's house with
Andy, we're just going for I think a light evening walk around the neighborhood, and I'll take you out here walking with this lovely lady. Taking her to the dog park. Why? She has no business in the dog park, but I love dogs. She loves dogs.
We are just leaving the taco spot. How would you rate the tacos?
I would give it a 7.
Ooh, a 7 out of 10?
Yeah.
Not bad. Not bad, not bad. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoy this video. Remember, stay positive, think in possibilities, and have a wonderful day or night wherever you are in the world. Goodbye. See you in the next video.